Alright guys, we're going to give this Rust-oleum rust dissolver a little try. Especially on this one. Some gel. Like I'm gonna need to get a paintbrush. Well, we just passed daylight savings time, and I'm not a fan of not having much daylight. Definitely makes making videos more difficult. This gel is definitely pretty thick. All right, 10 to 30 minutes. We'll see what happens. All right, guys, it's 5:30 outside and it's pitch black dark nearly. Sort of depressing. But I use the Rust-oleum rust dissolver gel on these wheels. It says works in 30 minutes. Gel rust dissolver. I'm not super impressed. I sprayed it off with that hand sprayer because I don't have any water out here at the shop. And it looks so-so. This is the worst room by far. It might be working in here a little bit, but it sat for about 45 minutes. None of the other ones look a whole lot better. So not super impressed. I wish I had more OSFO. I would use OSFO because you can spray it on. It converts the rust to some sort of phosphate that acts like a primer. You can paint right over it. The trailer looks pretty nice. So in hindsight, personally, I don't think I would recommend the Rust-oleum, but I did spray it on a sheet of steel that's sitting out there that you probably can't see, and I'll see what it looks like in the morning. Maybe that'll change my mind. All right, guys, here's after about 24 hours almost. It kind of seems like I didn't get it completely clean, so it still worked a little bit overnight. But yeah, still not super impressed. I sprayed some on this big sheet of steel, and I let it sit overnight. I didn't even try to wash it off or anything. And it sat right here. It cleaned a little surface rust off, but not super clean, really. I guess it does pretty good if you leave it long enough, but it definitely Not according to the instructions, which are like 15 to 30 minutes or something like that. So definitely takes longer than that.